Hello, and welcome back. I am happy you are here today. My name is Alex, and this is Easy English with Alex. Today, I have a different kind of story. It is not about a problem at work. It is about a person. A person I did not like at first, but who became very important to me. Have you ever met someone you did not like and then became good friends with them? This is a story about that. This is my story. His name was Daniel. We sat next to each other every day. We never talked. We never smiled at each other for 3 whole months. And then everything changed.
I started my job in January. The office was big and busy. There were 20 people on my floor. Everyone was friendly. Everyone except one person. Daniel. Daniel sat at the desk next to mine. He was tall, with short brown hair. He always wore headphones. He never said good morning. He never looked up from his computer. He just worked, silently, all day. I tried to be friendly at first. Good morning, Daniel. Nothing. Just a small nod. Did you see the game last night? Nothing. Just a cold look. After 2 weeks, I stopped trying. I thought, this person does not like me. And that was okay. Not everyone has to be friends. But it felt uncomfortable, sitting next to someone who ignores you every day. I started to feel a little sad about it. Then, one Tuesday afternoon, everything changed. I was working on an important report. I had been working on it for 3 days. Suddenly, my computer made a strange noise, and the screen went black. Everything was gone. 3 days of work. Gone. I stared at the black screen. I could not move. I could not speak. I felt sick. Then I heard a voice next to me. Hey, are you okay? I looked up. It was Daniel. He was looking at me with a concerned expression. No headphones, just looking at me. My computer crashed, I said quietly. I lost everything. Daniel stood up immediately. Let me look at it, he said.
He sat down at my desk. His fingers moved fast on the keyboard. He opened programs I had never seen before. He clicked and typed for 10 minutes. I stood behind him, barely breathing. Then he said, "Here." He turned the screen toward me. All my work was there. Every single file. Recovered. I could not believe it. "How did you do that?" I asked. Daniel smiled for the first time. A small, quiet smile. "I studied computer science," he said. "I know a few tricks." That evening, we stayed late at the office. We talked for 2 hours. I found out that Daniel was not cold or unfriendly. He was just shy. Very, very shy. He found it hard to start conversations. But once you talked to him, he was funny, smart, and kind. After that day, everything was different. We had coffee together every morning. We had lunch together twice a week. We helped each other with difficult projects. 6 months later, Daniel was the best man at my brother's wedding. Because by then, he was not just my coworker, he was my best friend. Sometimes the people we think we don't like are the people who surprise us the most. Don't judge too quickly. Give people time. You never know who might become important in your life.
Now, let's stop for a moment. Let's review some important words from today's story. Word 1. Coworker. Daniel was my coworker. A coworker is a person you work with every day. Example, my coworkers are very helpful and friendly. Example, I had lunch with my coworker today. Word 2. Ignore. Daniel ignored me every morning. To ignore someone means to not pay attention to them on purpose. Example, She ignored my message for 2 days. Example, he ignored the noise and kept working. Word 3. Uncomfortable. It felt uncomfortable sitting next to him. Uncomfortable means not relaxed, a little stressed or awkward. Example, the silence in the room felt uncomfortable. Example, I feel uncomfortable speaking in front of many people. Word 4. Concerned. Daniel looked at me with a concerned expression. Concerned means worried about someone or something. Example, she looked concerned when I told her the news. Example, my boss was concerned about the deadline. Word 5. Recover. Daniel recovered all my files. To recover means to get something back after losing it. Example, the doctors helped him recover after his accident. Example, I recovered my password with my email. Word 6. Shy. Daniel was not cold, he was just shy. Shy means nervous or uncomfortable around other people. Example, she was very shy in her first week at school. Example, don't be shy, ask your question.
That's the end of today's story. I hope you understood it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember today's lesson. Don't judge people too quickly. Sometimes the quietest person in the room becomes your best friend. Now, I have a question for you. Write your answer in the comments, in English. The question is, do you have a friend who surprised you at first? Tell me about them. I read every comment, and I love to hear your stories. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and subscribe for a new easy English story every week. See you next time. Bye.